With winter just around the corner, I decided to get some new clothes that'll keep me warm, be form-fitting, and still give me the movement I need to stay active as the weather gets cooler. These clothes are from Fioboc and come shipped to your door, ready to improve your wardrobe as well. I went with 2 new hoodies and 2 new pairs of joggers. One of the pairs of joggers is black and has a looser fit with tapered ankles for lounging and relaxing. But they also have zipper pockets and a nice drawstring to ensure a snug fit and secure your items while you're out and about. The gray pair of joggers are a little on the skinnier side, but I think they're more dressy and look nice. They also have 1 normal pocket, 1 zipper pocket, deep cargo pockets on both of the legs, a small zipper pocket on the back, and a loop. This pair even has waterproof fabric. Too cool. I got 1 hoodie that's plain black. This one fits very snugly, but actually holds its position. You can raise your hands and move around, and it doesn't ride up. It also doesn't have any pockets, so this one is definitely designed more towards athletes. But the last jacket I got is really nice. I love the way it looks, and I like those unique drawstrings. It has a nice hood, can unzip if you want some extra breeze, and has 2 normal pockets on the sides, as well as a zipper pocket on the chest to store your items. This one is made out of a stain-resistant material that repels liquids, stains, and odors. But the best part about all these clothes is that I can move freely without restriction. I went out and played pickleball with a friend, and the clothes kept me warm and felt great while I was being active. I have full mobility. The clothes don't ride up, and they hold in place. They're so comfy, breathable, and in my opinion, look nice. And then when I got back, I took the dogs out and we went mushing. Then we went for a hike after and had a great time. And then even relaxed and played some guitar. And even though it's been cold, these clothes have helped keep me warm and safe from the elements. Overall, I'm really happy with my new clothes and have no complaints. So if you're looking for some new athletic gear, or just some clothes for lounging around the house, these clothes from Fioboc might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike. See ya.